and welcome to the third lesson in this course. In this lesson we are going to be looking at key signatures that have one flat, F major, and the relative minor of D minor. If you have missed the other lessons we have done so far, I've left a link to this whole playlist in the description in the pinned comment below, as well as the PDF of all of the notated scales written out. So first of all, let's go over the major scale formula of how we can work out F major and why it only has one flat. So remember, it's tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. So starting from F, so we've got tone, those two notes are a tone apart, tone, semitone. So from the A, we need to turn the B into a B flat, because if we don't, that's a tone, so it has to be a semitone. So already we've had to change that note, and then carrying on from the B flat we need a tone, and then from the C tone, from the D tone, and then from the E semitone. So the only note we had to change was the B to a B flat in order for it to comply with that formula, for it to sound like a major scale. So because we've started with the right hand of F major, you may have noticed if you've watched the first two videos that the finger pattern is a little bit different. So to do one octave of F major, we start off in this wider pattern, like I explained in a different video. So it makes more sense to use your fourth finger for the B flat and then to go under with your thumb to the C. That means you'll land on your 4 there, over with your 4 to B flat. If we were to do 2 octaves, that's 4, 3, 4, so like this. 4 under, 3 under, 4 under, end on your 4, come back down, over with your 4, over with your 3, over with the 4. So we never actually use the little finger. So for the left hand, let's ascend it this time. So the left hand is just as normal, because obviously when we ascend a scale, we have to use up all your fingers first until you get to your thumb. So we go over with the 3, over with the 4, on your 3, under on the 4, under on the 3, and use up all your fingers. Remember, the finger patterns are really important. It's important that you use these finger patterns, are there for a reason, as explained in the first episode. So you do the same thing each time, so you're obtaining them to your muscle memory. So if we were then to play F major in contrary motion, we could try 1 octave. It's going to be asymmetrical in both when the B flat appears and when you move your hands. So start on the same F, you can start on this F, whichever F, and then 2, 3. The left hand is going to go under, but the right hand is going to play the B flat, like that. And then the left hand plays the B flat and the right hand goes under. So we've got C and B flat, and then B flat and C. And then we carry on out until we reach F. So it's completely asymmetrical. And then come back in. Over with the 4. Over with the 3. 3's together. 2's, 1's. So let's try that again. Left hand, right hand. We can try it in similar motion. So again, the finger pattern is not the same in each hand. So I'm just going to do 1 octave. Obviously you can experiment with 2 octaves if you want to, but once you're happy with 1 octave and hands separately first. right hand goes under, repositions, over with the 3 in the left hand. So 5 and a 4, and then come back down. Left hand goes under, right hand goes over with the 4, and use up all your fingers. And again. Under, over, rock straight back down, under, over. So now we're going to look at the relative minor. So again, explained in the first video, the relative minor starts from the 6th note of the major scale. So the relative minor is the minor scale that has the exact same note, same key signature as the major scale. So remember, it's not like F minor and F major, it's not that. So you would say F minor is a parallel minor to F major, but they don't have the same key signature. They are very different scales and key signatures. So just to talk a bit about that. So the 6th note from F major is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is D. So D minor is the relative minor to F major. So D natural minor is like playing F major but starting from D. So it will also have obviously the B flat as the key signature. So let's do right hand first. The finger pattern for D minor is 3, 4, 3 in each hand. So I'm going to do 2 octaves of this one, and then we're going to talk about how to change it to the harmonic minor. 3, the left hand to talk about the harmonic minor. So if you haven't seen the first couple of episodes, we're only looking at the natural minor and the harmonic minor. We're not going to do the melodic minor in this series. I'm going to do a separate video about that. If you remember, in order to turn the natural minor into the harmonic minor, you have to sharpen the 7th note. So if I start down here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is a C, that's going to become a C sharp now. So you've got the B flat and the C sharp after each other. It's quite a comfortable scale. You could call this like the bridge, a bridge. It's a very distinct pattern. So if we have a go at doing 2 octaves, 3, 4, 3 finger pattern in the left hand. So now we're going to have a go at playing both hands in similar motion of D minor. You are welcome to experiment with 2 octaves. The PDF sheets that I mentioned at the beginning of the video that's linked down below shows 2 octaves in similar motion, so you could follow that. Now if we try it in contrary motion, 1 octave, so the finger pattern will be symmetrical, but obviously the notes, the B flat and the C sharp, won't appear at the same time. So start on D, under, So that's it for this lesson, looking at the scales with only 1 flat in the key signature, so B flat. Remember that the playlist is linked below if you haven't started it from the beginning and would like to, but otherwise I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.
So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit bitesizepianocourse.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.